Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and once again, it is time for Dave, Chef to the Stars. And this is about the night that Anna Taylor-Joy walked into my little diner and asked me to make her the best burger on the planet. I said okay. So this is the Anna Taylor-Joy's Sweet Heat Burger. First, we got to make the Sweet Heat sauce. What you're going to want to do is get a cup of ketchup, half a cup of brown sugar, a third of a cup of distilled white vinegar, a third of a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of molasses or thereabouts, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of chipotle powder, and of course, salt and pepper. Then you basically want to combine everything in this pot, and then you just want to stir it around until it gets mixed. And then take it over to the stove, and on a medium heat, you want to simmer it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, let's see what it's like when it's getting ready to go. And give that a little stir. All right, 15 minutes on a medium heat. Simmer this down a little bit, and the sweet heat sauce will be done. Oh, and also you're going to want to roast some poblano peppers. You do this by just putting them directly on the burner. Let them get blackened, put them in a bowl, little Reynolds wrap on top, and let them sweat. All right, peppers have been roasted and sweated, and you've scraped off all the black shit. You've taken the sauce off the heat, and you're letting that cool down. Time to just slice the peppers up into ribbons. I did make one great big slice down the middle of the pepper because you obviously don't want rings. All right. When these are done, just put them in a bowl and set aside. Okay, and next thing, you want to make some 4-ounce burger balls. Those are also known as quarter pounders. We're looking for some quarter-pound patties in this. You can either go by feel, or I just prefer to use a scale. Because if the burgers are all the same weight, the same thickness, they're going to cook evenly. That's common sense. Okay, now the burgers are on the grill. And time to season them. And the seasoning is really simple. Got Lowry's seasoning salt. And of course, we're going to do fresh ground black pepper. Because these are quarter-pound patties and are fairly thin, they're not going to take very long to cook. About roughly 3 to 4 minutes aside. Just go by feel. When the burgers are nice and firm to the touch, they're done. So I'll see everyone back here in a few minutes. All right, the burgers are done. Now it's time to add a slice of the good old shit American cheese. Only one slice on these particular burgers because remember, they're just quarter-pound patties. All right, let's let the cheese melt up and take them in the house. Okay, let's start assembly of this burger. What you got there is a nice toasted brioche bun, to which I'm adding a bunch of arugula to the bottom bun. And then we'll add our patty. Gotta have pickles, because if a burger doesn't have pickles, it's probably going to be garbage. Then we'll add our second patty. Gonna do a double-decker burger here. Gotta get a squirt of the sweet heat sauce. Top it off with some of those fried poblano peppers. And you want to put some mayonnaise on the top bun. This is A, to diffuse the heat a little bit from the sauce and the poblano pepper, and plus mayonnaise is just delicious. And then top it off. And that is the burger I made for Anna Taylor-Joy. 'cause I am Dave, chef to the stars. And she did eat it. Oh, and also add some waffle fries to that bitch. And she did eat it. Why she felt the need to make out with the waitress afterwards, I still don't know to this day, but hey, that's the way it goes.